What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Better by Khalid. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll come to your house and break all of your mother's finest china. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but from now, let's jump into it. This is how you play! Okay guys, so this song's in standard tuning, and what I did is I found a few little like jazzy kind of major 7 chords that you can play to this and make it sound a little bit cooler. You can use major chords, that's fine, but I've been playing around with this song because I really like this song, and I found that when you use these chords it sounds even cooler, especially when you're playing it on the guitar. It's going to be, you're going to have an A flat major 7 chord, which is going to be 4x554x. And I will have all these diagrams in the description, so if you need to look at those, if you can't tell from what I'm pressing down here, jump into the description when you get done with the video, because I will have all the diagrams there. But again, A flat major 7, 4x 554x. Then you're going to go to C minor 7, which is going to be x 3 5 3 4 3. Again, x 3 5 3 4 3. And then finally B flat major 7, which is going to be x 1 3 2 3 1. Again, x 1 3 2 3 1. So once you get those chords down, all you need is the picking pattern, because once you learn that, it just repeats throughout the entire song. Starting on your A flat major 7, I'm using my thumb to pick the low E string. Then I'm using my ring finger to pick the B string, my middle finger to pick the G string, and my index finger to pick the D string. That's going to stay the same. Those 3 fingers, your index, your middle, and your ring finger, are going to stay on those same strings throughout this entire chord progression. The only thing that's changing is your low thumb is going to change from the low E to the A string just when we move down to the final 2 chords. But for now, it's thumb on the low E, index on the D, middle on the G, ring on the B. Starting off by picking a low E by itself, and then all the other strings together. So 1, 1, 1 down, all those together, and then all 4 together. So, and what I'm doing is in between, I'm just catching the strings to mute them and giving it that little slappy percussion sound. So 1, 1, mute, all together. Now using that same rhythm, jump down to your C minor 7, and that now you're gonna pick the A string with your thumb. Then your other 3 fingers stay the same. Index on the D, middle on the G, ring on the B, and you're using that same exact picking pattern. So A by itself, D, G, B all together, slap to mute, and then all of them together, slap to mute. Then you're doing that same exact thing on your B flat major 7, the same exact picking pattern as you just did. A by itself, D, G, B all together, slap to mute, all 4 strings together, slap to mute. Now you're only doing that 1 time for your A flat major 7, 1 time for your C minor 7, 2 times on the B flat major 7, and then right before you go back to your A flat major 7, you can hit the 3rd fret on the low E. That's kind of like a pickup note back into the A flat major 7. It kind of just leads you back into that chord. So all together, I'm going to play through this really slowly so you can see what it looks like. Like I said, if you need the chord diagrams, they're in the description. Watch this as many times as you need to really get it down, but I'll play through it here for you.